Hey, what's up, guys? This is Jimmy Pinto coming at you. I'm playing NHL 12 right now, and I just got these new goal horns. I just scored right now, and my goodness, these horns are extremely loud. It sounds like they're actually there. I'm going to give you a little preview. You guys see I just scored over the Washington Capitals 1-0 early on. So let's hear these horns.
Immediately.
How about that? That is loud. I really like the way the horns sound. Every team is unbelievable. Yeah. So that's a goal horn sample for Chicago. If you guys have any more requests of goal horn sets, just let me know and I'll put them up. Thanks for watching.